In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a TikTok shop account. Setting up your shop on TikTok is a fantastic way to showcase your products to a vast, diverse audience. Let's dive in and get your shop up and running. First, open your browser and head over to Google. It's the most convenient way to navigate to the TikTok shop website. Once you're on Google's search page, type in TikTok shop and hit enter. This is the quickest way to get the right portal for your specific region based on your current location. As the search results load, the top links should often be the TikTok shop for your country. Click the appropriate link that corresponds to your regional TikTok domain. Once the page loads, look for the login button at the top right corner and click on it. This will direct you to the login page for TikTok shop. If you don't already have an account, click the sign up option. This will lead you to a sign up form where you need to enter either your email or phone number. Choose the option that suits you best. For this tutorial, we'll go ahead with the email address option. After entering your email, TikTok will send you a verification code, but before you enter this code, you'll likely be prompted to complete a human verification step. This is usually a simple CAPTCHA to ensure you're a real user. Once you complete this, check your email for the verification code, enter it in the space provided, and hit enter. After that, you'll be asked to set your password. Choose something secure but memorable. Make sure to include a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols for extra security. With your password set, click sign up. Now, you're officially part of the TikTok shop community. The next step involves uploading important documents for your shop. You'll need to fill in details about your shop, like its name and the category of products you'll be offering. It's advisable to choose a catchy but clear shop name to attract potential customers. For the business verification process, you'll need to provide additional information, such as IDs or other business documentation. This might include any legal identification documents that confirm the legitimacy of your business. Once done, you will also need to agree to TikTok's guidelines. These guidelines are essential as they ensure the platform remains secure and trustworthy for all users. After submission, the verification process usually takes 1 to 2 days. During this time, the TikTok team reviews your information to approve your shop. Once approved, it's time to start adding products. You can add titles, descriptions, images, and other necessary details for each product listing. Finally, don't forget to connect your TikTok account with your shop. This integration is crucial as it helps you broaden your reach by directly linking to your shop from your TikTok profile. Remember, an active and engaging TikTok presence can significantly enhance your shop's visibility. That's it for setting up your TikTok shop account. With these steps completed, you're all set to start reaching a wider audience on TikTok and growing your business. Happy selling and good luck.